Hey sweetie, say hi to everyone. You're gonna sit nicely for them? Give everyone a shake? Oh, this is a good girl. Here's my good baby. Yes. Oh, you want to shake again? Okay. Oh, he's a good girl. Oh, you want to keep shaking? Okay. I will hold your hand for a bit. He's a good girl. Hello beautiful souls, Kim Crystal here and welcome to today's video. I'm so excited to be here with you guys because I'm going to show you how I made this custom-made Dreamcatcher. It is absolutely beautiful. It's got the sacred geometry of Metatron's cube in the center and it's got this beautiful amethyst crystal. This is just a video of a time-lapse of me making this Dreamcatcher. I have more tutorials coming up. The next video is going to be an oval Dreamcatcher tutorial, which is going to be really cool and I'm excited to do that with you. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe down below if you guys are new. And yeah, let's jump straight into making this beautiful Dreamcatcher. This video, don't forget to give it a big like, subscribe down below and check out my channel for a whole bunch of Dreamcatcher tutorials. Also, if you'd like a custom order, just check out the link in my description box down below. I would love to make you something custom made. Love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Perfect, so I faked it. Looking back at these old photos, I see it in my faces. I could say you tried to change me, but I'm the one who listened. Would've never saw it your way if I had my own vision. I let you be my Novocaine. Not me to